In this video, I'll show you how to easily control the aspect ratio of images generated with Nano Banana. To get started, open the video description. You'll find a set of transparent PNG files with different aspect ratios. Pick the one you need and download it. For this tutorial, we'll be using the 16:9 aspect ratio. Next, open Gemini, start a new chat, go to Tools, and select Create Images. Now, here's how Nano Banana works. It checks the last input image, detects its aspect ratio, and automatically generates the new image in that same ratio. So, the PNG you downloaded will act as a reference image for your desired aspect ratio. You can use this trick in two ways. Either to generate a new image in a 16:9 aspect ratio, or to convert an existing 1:1 image into a 16:9 format. Let's start with the first one. Type a simple prompt, for example, a man walking on a street. Then add a comma and write. Use this image as the reference for final aspect ratio. Now click Add Files, Upload Files. Select the 16:9 PNG you downloaded earlier. Click Open, and then submit your prompt. The generated image will appear in a perfect 16:9 widescreen format. If you open it, you'll notice it's properly wide, just as expected. Now let's try converting an existing 1:1 image into a 16:9 one. Click Add Files, Upload Files, and choose the image you want to convert. In my case, I'll use a cartoon version of me sitting in front of a laptop, a square 1:1 image. Next, click Add Files again. Upload the same transparent PNG, and make sure you add it as the last input, not the first one. Then type something like, zoom out. Use the second image as the reference for final aspect ratio. Submit your prompt, and Nano Banana will transform your square image into a 16:9 wide image. You'll see it automatically fills in the background to match the wider frame. Pretty cool, right? And that's it. You now know how to control and adjust aspect ratios in Nano Banana, whether you're creating images from scratch or converting existing ones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.